everyone, today's video is a little special for me because I'm unboxing something that I've been dreaming about for a long time. This is the iPad Pro M4 256GB Wi-Fi variant, and I got this under the Apple student discount. But this video isn't about the specs, benchmarks, or the deep dive reviews. It's just an unboxing, a personal moment I wanted to share with all of you. I'll be using this for creating content, videos, visuals, digital notes, ideas, and honestly, it feels like a step closer to building the life that I've always imagined. There's a unique joy in fulfilling a long-held dream, and this right here is one of mine. If you are chasing something, a goal, a dream, a tool that brings you closer to your passion, keep going, because one day, that dream you wrote in your journal will be sitting right in front of you. Thank you for watching this simple, heartfelt unboxing. No frills, no fancy explanation, just a dream unboxed.